Forget the yachts, the champagne fountains, and Leonardo DiCaprio renting a villa bigger than your hometown. What if I told you Saint-Tropez, the playground of the ultra-rich, can actually be done on a budget? Ever wondered where you can sip an espresso for €2 while sitting in the same square where millionaires casually park their Ferraris? Or find beaches where the only thing free-flowing isn't Moet, but sunshine? Stick around, because I'm going to show you how to outsmart Saint-Tropez without emptying your bank account. And later, I'll reveal the one trick locals use to eat in the port area for less than the price of a beach towel. Saint-Tropez has a reputation: bling, yachts, paparazzi. But peel back the Gucci sunglasses and you'll find a village that was once just a sleepy fishing port. The pastel houses, cobbled lanes, and old port cafes, they're still here, and you don't need a platinum card to enjoy them. Head to Place des Lices, the main square. Instead of ordering champagne, do what the locals do. Grab a coffee and watch retirees battle it out over pétanque. Basically boules, but with more French swearing. Cost? About €2. Instant immersion in local life. But don't get too comfortable, because just a few streets away, Saint-Tropez will try to drain your wallet faster than you can say rosé. Want millionaire views without millionaire prices? Climb up to the Citadel of Saint-Tropez. The hike is free, the views are priceless, and you'll get panoramic shots of yachts so big they probably have their own ZIP codes. Another budget hack: skip the private beach clubs with €50 sunbeds. Instead, hit Plage des Solens or Plage de la Bouillabaisse, public beaches where the sand and sea cost absolutely nothing. Pack a baguette, some cheese, and boom, you've just created a French picnic with millionaire scenery for under €10. But wait, what about the nightlife? Surely that's where your budget explodes, right? Not if you know where to go. Sure, you could spend €500 popping bottles at Les Caves du Roi, but why? Instead, slide into Lices Sporting, a bar in Place des Lices that's been serving locals for decades. A beer here costs less than a cocktail umbrella in the clubs. Bonus: you'll actually hear yourself think. For late-night snacks, avoid the flashy harbor restaurants. Locals love La Tarte Tropézienne bakery, famous for its cream-filled brioche. Sweet, iconic, and under €5, it's practically a rite of passage. But the real budget hack in Saint-Tropez isn't in the bars or beaches. It's hidden in plain sight at the market. Every Tuesday and Saturday, the Place des Lices market turns into a foodie wonderland. Forget €30 salads at the port. Here you can grab olives, cheese, fresh fruit, and maybe even a bottle of local rosé for picnic prices. Here's the trick. Locals say if you go in the last hour before closing, vendors slash prices rather than lug leftovers home. That €10 block of cheese? Yours for €5. And nothing screams Saint-Tropez chic like sipping budget wine while pretending your plastic picnic cup is crystal glassware. But wait, how do you even get here without spending half your budget on transport? Saint-Tropez doesn't have a train station. That's how it keeps the crowds exclusive. But exclusivity costs, unless you know the hack. From Nice or Marseille, skip the pricey transfers and grab a regional train to Saint-Raphael. Then hop on a €3.50 bus straight into Saint-Tropez. It takes a little longer, but you'll save enough cash for multiple tartes tropéziennes. Suddenly, Saint-Tropez isn't a millionaire's playground. It's a budget traveler's power move. So yes, Saint-Tropez can drain your wallet in seconds. But if you know the hacks, you can play the same game for pocket change. Coffee in the square, free beaches, market picnics, and budget transport. Suddenly, you're living the dream without selling a kidney. And if this gave you hope, wait until you see the local Côte d'Azur travel guide. Because Saint-Tropez is just the flashy gateway. Beyond it lies a coastline packed with hidden coves, colorful villages, and Riviera charm that doesn't demand billionaire prices. Go watch it now.